Hi, Ravi.
Hello, sir.
First, let me ask some questions. What is your background? Can you please explain it?
Yes. So I had done my BCom, uh,
In which year?
and then in I done my BCom in 2014.
Okay. Later?
Later, I had studied UPSC preparation
Okay,
in
okay.
Pune.
IAS, IPS
Yes,
exam in India. Okay.
yes, sir. Yes.
How many years you
Then
prepared for that?
I prepare at least 4 years, sir.
2 years.
4 years, sir. Four.
Yes. Okay. After that,
After that, I take admission for MBA in finance.
regular course or part-time?
Sir, regular, sir.
Which university?
Uh, Pune University.
Okay. Is it university college or private college?
So there is a private college.
Okay, fine. So after that,
After that, I get a job in uh, a ICE mortgage company,
hmm,
MNC,
which
in
year
a
it was?
2020, 21st of October.
Okay, okay, okay.
Uh, Then
That
I'm
was
working in
during Corona time. Corona time.
yes, Corona time. Yeah,
Okay, okay.
yes,
Please go ahead.
and I'm working in the mortgage industry
Huh.
for 2 years.
Hmm.
Then I switched my company and then I joined Bajaj Allianz General Insurance.
So that is Bajaj Alliance insurance, general insurance.
General Insurance, yes, in
You are
Pune.
working in Pune, right? All the time.
Yes, sir. I'm working in Pune whole time, sir.
Okay, right. Now, what is the role you are playing there?
Uh, I handle the non-motor claims like property, fire, and marine claims. I handle there, and
Oh, yeah, it is
specifically
a claims processing. Basically, in that department you are working.
non-motor claims.
Non-motor claims. Okay, okay. Non-motor
Yes,
claims.
yeah.
Okay. Uh, how many years you completed in this role? Claims
Uh,
processing.
uh, at 19 January 2025, I completed 2 years in that role.
2 years as a claims process analyst, and before that, what was the role you played it?
Uh, Before that, I worked as a associate in a mortgage industry as an associate.
How many years?
2 years.
Okay, okay, okay. Fine. So total 4 years of domain experience you have, mortgage and insurance
Insurance.
claims, insurance claims,
Yes,
basically.
yes, sir, yes,
Okay.
yes.
So it is purely non-IT experience, and why you want to change your career? What is the reason?
The reason is now the first reason is financially
Hmm. Yeah, one is
to
financially for everybody, that is the common. Then,
yes. Then the IT industry is going to boom in the coming years, and the
hmm,
generative AI is a have a specific role in that.
hmm.
So I decide to join. I decide to switch in IT careers.
So you decided to switch into AI IT career, basically.
Yes, AI career basically.
Okay. But in IT field, you have to work 12 to 14 hours.
Yes,
What
sir,
about
I
you?
am ready. Yes, yes, I am ready for that.
Okay. And in our coaching also, you need to spend minimum 20 plus hours weekly per week. Of course, since you joined offline 10 days back, right?
Yes, sir, yes, yes. I joined
So 10 days
offline.
onwards, you are watching how is coaching, all these things. What are the identifications you have made it from the last 10 days of interaction and your work you started doing in Azure?
So, first of all, I don't know about what is Azure. when you are coach us to what is Azure, what is the use of Azure, and Azure is a use with the uh, important role in your organization, and your coaching is to push up me because I am not my background is not IT, so you are push me to doing the uh, demos and POC and prepare to PPT, sir.
You also attended some data science course, you said, right? Training.
I done the business analyst course.
Okay. Were
Yes.
there any technical topics also in that course?
No, sir. There is only a theoretical topic. They
Hmm.
only teach us what is the business analyst, what is requirement gathering, what is
Hmm.
BRD.
Hmm.
So only
So that
the
is a traditional BA role, not a BA role.
yes, sir, there is a traditional BA.
Okay. And another thing I want to ask you, like you chose it to join for technical coaching, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
technical roles, right? What were the reasons?
That, to survive uh, to survive in coming future,
Hmm.
not to lay off in any organization, because if I
Okay, you
not
want to protect through technical roles. It means.
yes, sir, I want to put it to technicals and me also.
Okay, okay, good, good, good. See, today's call is let us discuss about our coaching plan for next 4 months. I have the document I shared to you. You got the document right by email, right?
Yes, sir, I received document.
So your actual date is going to start on 1st January. The end date is 6 months. I am giving the duration to complete the coaching, basically. But total course duration is 4 calendar months. It is 120 days. The following plan is derived as per 4 months calendar uh, duration. Okay,
Yes, sir.
from January 25th to uh, April 25th, 4 months will be there, right? So we
Yes,
see
sir.
what are these 4 months we are going to work. Total support duration is 6 months from the joining date. The goal is to scale up into following roles. Basically, you are attending cloud, DevOps, automation within that. So if you take that role, that skills, Azure Cloud from DevOps engineer, you will be scaled up. You can work as those roles also in future. It is proven for other people also. They are working in that roles now. Okay, even though they are from IT and non-IT, they have converted into these roles. Azure automation engineer is there. Automation is we are working with Terraform and Python scripting also. With that, you'll get the skills to perform the role in Azure as automation engineer also. Then ML engineer also. Then ML ops engineer. Then generative AI developer. Then generative AI consultant. Then prompt engineering expert. This is common in this coaching. You need to be expertise in writing the AI prompts, analyzing the scripts from ChatGPT and Copilot or Gemini or any other typical tools, GPT tools. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
you will become like prompt engineering expert also. Normally, what happens? You have seen morning one course, right? B10X
Uh,
course you attended, right?
yes. I saw
What,
that.
what, what did you find from that course? What is the role of the prompt engineering expert?
Sir, I the prompt expert is just like a support to the organization and giving the work, complete the work easily.
Okay, let us say now you are claims processing assistant. Is it going to be useful for your work?
Yes, sir. We use Copilot in our organization or ChatGPT. If we find any difficult situation at the time of handle the case, we are use Copilot or ChatGPT there.
What purpose?
If we don't understand the what is the uh, means what happened there, or what is the word we are not like if any marine if
Maybe
any
the permit rules and the claims processing rules on those areas you will be looking for Copilot, right? The Copilot at ChatGPT. You'll ask me the tool.
yes sir, yes sir.
Okay, okay. It means your study time is going to be reduced with that tools for you in your regular job, right?
Yes sir,
Okay.
yes
So
sir,
here, what we're doing here, our regular bread and butter starts with prompt engineering expertise. You have seen in your first POC, you worked as a sample and you
yes
used
sir, yes
Pilot and
yes sir.
ChatGPT extensively. You are acquainted now to write the prompts also correctly for your needs. That's the expertise you are going to get it in all the roles. All the roles means from top to bottom, whatever roles are mentioned it. Okay. Then ML generate a solution designer also. Let us say you can give solutions to particular requirement. That role is called ML and generative solution designer because you are groomed up into ML engineer, ML ops engineer, and generative developer, and also generative consultant also. Then with that knowledge, you can declare yourself as a solution designer also with that experience what you gain it. ML to generative migration expert also. Let us say you learned ML projects how to do. Now generative projects also how to you learned it. Now you can do machine learning projects into generative AI also because in next 2 years, 2 to 5 years, many organizations they are converting from machine learning to generative AI to save the cost, efforts, all these things, efficiency to show efficient business solutions. Right. Now,
Yes,
Azure GenAI ops role also, like ML operations role is there for deployment purpose. You will be working on GenAI ops role also. So it means you are eligible after completion of this coaching. How many roles?
yes. 10 roles sir.
Huh?
10
How
10
many?
roles.
10
10
roles.
sir,
So
10 roles, yes.
10 roles. So many organizations, what they are asking is you should have experience in working for multi roles. It is not like single technical skill will work for your role in our job, they say. So that is the reason I have designed this coaching course plan to groom the people into multiple roles by getting the experiences of live tasks in each technical areas. Okay.
Yes,
So these are multiple roles we may find in the job market within the scope of our job coaching curriculum. Yes, that's where it is matched. During this coaching, you will do numerous job tasks related to demos, okay, and tasks and demos, okay. Then these will be used in your profile to scale up as an experienced professional. Now, let us say you have done some one project in Azure resources creation, user ID creation. There was a requirement like one project team needs Azure access as a separate resource group. Then you created the resource group. After that, you created the user IDs, two user IDs, and using those one of the user IDs, you created the VM. Then you also tested with second user ID, which is appearing in the same resource group, that particular VM, right? That is the live work request. That is the live requirement. That kind of requirements will be tons of requirements will be pulling into different topics, and you will be doing the work, job work like what you have done today, and you will be giving the job task how it can be done also as a demo. That demo we are going to record it, and those recorded URLs will be mentioned with description of the task in the profile as an appendix. Such kind of job tasks you will be doing more than 30 or 40 activities. It means your profile will become 5 to 6 pages appendix with that proofs, work proofs. So after doing that kind of jobs, if you take any of these roles, expertise, you will be able to demonstrate around 3+ years of experience in these technical areas. Azure Cloud DevOps is there, automation is there, ML engineer is there, ML related roles are there, generative related roles are there, and you are going to work with Python and ML scripting. YAML scripting, you will be working with Cloud DevOps only, but Python script, you need to continue till end of the coaching, up to generated. Okay. So with that, what
Yes.
happens? With Python expert also in cloud activities handling. I'm not saying it is you are going to write the application programming or something with Python. No, it is related with cloud services only. That also with Azure doing it. So you'll be scaled up with a lot of reviews and discussions, guidance, coaching, and mentoring sessions. You have seen since few days. All these are happening, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So our coaching program aim is to prepare you for multiple roles within the market, focusing on practical job tasks and demos to enhance your profile as an experienced professional. Yes, really, if you see live, if any ML engineer is there, he'll not be able to do this many tasks. He'll be able to do a few tasks in 2 years or 3 years, but you are getting opportunity to do multiple tasks. Even in one job, there is a risk in one company. You will be able to showcase this resume in future for strategic career purpose and getting another job easily because you have proven experience here through our demos, right? Are you getting?
Hello.
Are you getting, Ravi?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
now, yes, sir. So your voice is cut now.
Okay.
So, yes.
You are getting what I said, like with this experiences, at any time, if there is a risk in the company, immediately you'll be trying for other job, you'll get the offer, next offer.
Yes, yes.
Obviously, in the next offer,
Sure.
40 to 60% salary hike should be given. That is the general formula.
Formula. Yes.
Yes. And another thing, in non-IT, the people who worked with me in the past during Corona time, they got triple salary, triple hike, more than 2.5% hike, including IT people, non-IT people also. So here in the A area, yes, if you get the job, definitely it is going to be more than double to the current salary. Okay, you don't need to worry
Yes,
about
sir.
the investment, what you are doing for the course expenses, all these things. So this process will help you secure competitive offers by demonstrating your expertise. You have the flexibility to take 2 week break if needed within the 6 months. Within the 6 months, you can take. Uh, you got tired of after ML or something. Then if you want to take 2 weeks break, you can take it. Okay, I'm offering that within the 6 months duration. Then phase one is Azure. Azure Cloud, DevOps, Terraform, Python, containers, clusters will be working for six. It is not 60 days, actually 45 days. We can take it. Okay. So stage one is you are focusing initial Azure Cloud Services learning, and there will be different activities you will be working day by day. We are going to find the tasks also. Those tasks you will be working with ChatGPT to get the solutions and practicing them in Azure. Then coming back and updating me about issues or reviews and kind of thing. Then you will be preparing the presentations to present that job tasks also, and you will be giving the demos. So this is about first 1 to 10 days you will be working with the basic services. Then later you are going to switch over to automation of so with Terraform and Python scripting. You have seen Terraform scripting demo given by
No.
Rahul, right? Yeah. So
Yes,
then
yes.
20 days to 30 days, we will be working with the DevOps services to build deployment and releases. We will be learning Docker and other activities also for deployment purpose. Then later, from 30 to 40 days, Azure Container Service will be working with Kubernetes in Azure, which is called Azure Kubernetes Services. And then you will be building the clusters for deployment purposes. Then 40 to 50, you are integrating Azure services with automation. Basically, you will be doing much automation. Yes, okay. So here, actually, I'm trying to complete all these tasks in 45 days. If you are feeling like a little bit tough, then I can extend to 60 days also. That is the reason I gave 60 days here, total duration. Okay.
Okay, sir.
But
Okay, sir.
you complete it, you will be able to do. Here, one thing is weekly minimum 2 demos you need to do for your profiling purpose. Let us say if you are
Okay, sir.
working for 40, 60 days means 2 months. Then you will be able to give weekly 2 demos. How many demos will be there for 6 days?
For 60 days, if weekly two it's in 14, sir.
No, how it is 14? Weekly 2 demos. Monthly, how many demos?
Monthly, we have 8 demos, sir.
Yes, 2 months, how many?
So 2 months, it's 16.
Yes, 16, not 14, 16. But
Yes,
it
sir,
all
16.
depends on your speed of catching up and working hard. Like I said, minimum 20 plus hours are required. Some activities you will be able to do faster. Some activities you will not be able to do faster. Let us say example, if you take Terraform automation, first 2 demos will be tough. Third, fourth, fifth demos will be easy because you are going to reusing the script. Okay.
Yes,
But
sir. Yes.
there Python also. First few days learning Python and doing first 2 demos will be complex for you. Third one onwards it will be easy for you to do Python program scripting part. Okay. Now phase
Okay,
one
sir.
is about cloud DevOps. Phase two is visual learning, MLOps, and generative AIs. Okay. Here
Okay.
you're going to focus on first 10 days concepts and algorithms in business domains. Okay. ML algorithms are that we are going to discuss theoretically about the and also how these can be mapped to different domain areas. Let us say you're doing claims processing. In claims processing, unit estimator last few quarters we got this many claims. Okay, and how
Yeah.
many claims can come in next 6 months? You need to predict it. That predictive analytics purpose, there are different algorithms built in the ML services in Azure Cloud. Those you will be learning in the business domain areas, how it can be applied these algorithms for different domain areas, all those things. Okay. And another thing,
Oh,
uh, we are going to we are going to discuss about the Azure Factory also during this phase one section, which is outline of not the part of the course, but as I feel like with your background, you need to know that services also to build the data sets also. Okay,
okay,
so
sir.
that is
Okay.
a data factory. Okay, now coming back to phase two. Okay, uh, so training you will be trained in the algorithms and business domain areas. So you have seen my LinkedIn algorithms article and business domain article, right? I have written
Yes,
some
yes,
of
yes.
them.
I saw. Yes, I saw
So
your article.
yes, so it is going to happen like that. All the things. Okay, that's
Okay.
all. Right. So now again you are going to move forward to work with Azure ML services from 70 to 80 days, 10 days. In the ML services, we are going to build some job tasks there. Okay. Then later
Okay,
we are
sir.
going to build 80 to 90 days. You will be working with live projects for different business domains. Here you are learning small tasks for using the ML services. ML Studio is there. We will be working with that. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Okay, sir.
means every week there will be demos related to small tasks or micro
Yes.
level tasks. But that is
Okay, sir.
going to be in the profile as experienced person for those things to handle in the life. Okay.
Live
See,
course.
you don't
Okay.
have IT experience for learning AI and proving in AI. If you show this kind of showcasing in the profile, all the work, whatever you are doing it here, then who is not going to accept your profile in the industry?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. They accept my profile when I do this work.
If any recruiter says, no, you don't have IT experience, what is this we are building it here? More than the IT experience, more than the job experience, we are building it. Okay. So the
Okay, sir.
recruiter, the mature recruiter always will consider this kind of profiles, so not immature profiles. There will be immature recruiters also where they are unaware of these things. Okay. How the
Okay, sir.
experience is considered it. Okay. Then working on
Yes.
live ML projects for different domains you will be using. So let us say you have two domains. One is mortgage domain and another one is claims processing you have. So those two
And
domains we put it, and additionally, if we are able to do, we can consider some more domains also. Some activities will be identifying it. We will be working for that projects tasks also. I am not saying it
yes.
is a project, it is project tasks. Okay.
Uh,
Then
yes, sir.
later we're going to move after 90 days. See, this ML is made for 30 days.
30
First
days.
60
Okay, sir.
days for there in the cloud. After that, we will
Okay, sir.
move to ML 30 days. Then later, we're moving to after 90 days, we're going to move to this one,
Yes.
generative AI. Okay. Here,
Yeah,
generative
yes,
AI
sir.
also, we're going to learn like how we can build the tasks, how we can plan for activities also. And wherever it is required, we will work with additional ML migration projects also. Let us say, if you have done some activities here in ML, uh, with project activities or tasks, how those can be migrated into generative AI, what kind of precautions we need to take, all that will be uh, analyzing it and we'll be migrating them also. Okay, because
Okay, sir.
I said many ML projects they're planning to migrate into generative AI. They need the skilled
Okay.
people who can do this kind of job, who can understand them easily. And also, they
Yes.
need to have expertise in using the chat GPT prompts for their work, regular work. So you got already
Okay.
met into
Yes,
that
sir.
roles, whatever we discussed here, up to this part, if you see here,
Yes.
except generate way, up to these roles you met, you experienced it, right? By doing the
Okay.
job tasks, right?
Okay,
And
sir.
prompt
Yes.
engineering expert also. Okay,
Expertise. Yes.
right. So then you will be working for ML migration of ML projects also from 100 days to 110 days, and will take multiple activities and tasks also. Then Azure generative activities you will be working, and there you will be doing small pieces of the projects. You have seen several demos, right, for different activities. And also you will have to give some solution demos in ML coaching and also in generative. Solution demos means
Yeah,
how to process the claims, what kind of tasks one need to do, what kind of evaluations will be done, how machine learning algorithms or business domain areas can help to automate that process. Okay. Now what you are
yes,
going
sir.
to do, you are going to break manually to verify a lot of documents, right?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes.
that documents, if they are on the digitalization, yes, you are going to use them. Okay. Or from database, if data is there, you don't need to print them, just pull the data and analyze it using ML algorithms. The same way in generative AI also, we are going to do that. So that kind of small projects you'll be doing it in generative AI activities also. Okay. Now
Yes.
this is how many 120 days are over with generative AI activities. 110 are over here. 111 to 120. We're going to work with Azure Gen AI activities, which is deployment. Like
Deployment.
ML ops
Yeah.
is deployment purpose. We are building model and deployment purpose we are doing. The same way, generative AI ops activities will be there, operational activities. Those also you'll be learning it, and we'll be working for deploying some tasks like ML deployment, how it happened. So by the end of this program, you will be confident in playing the following technical roles and attending job interviews. Azure Cloud come DevOps engineer, Azure Automation engineer, ML engineer, ML Ops engineer. Other mentioned roles will be supporting these roles in the job. Let us say initially nobody is going to hire generative AI engineer or generative AI consultant like that. They'll take you
Okay.
as ML engineer. They'll be using you for generative AI activities also while migrating.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So that is the reason I mentioned those roles. Okay. The other mentioned roles
Okay.
will be supporting these roles. After completing phase two, you will be well prepared to apply for jobs with your upgraded and upskilled profile. Now, let us check. This is made for 4 months. After 4 months, you need to get ready. with profile, and also you need to get ready for mock interviews. Mock interviews means first you need to understand in Naukri or LinkedIn different jobs published there related to these roles. Then each organization will have a job description. That job descriptions we are going to discuss it. Here it is mentioned our regular tasks are need to attend the planned mentoring sessions. That is one thing already you are practicing it, attending sessions.
Yes.
You need to
Yes.
practice the given tasks as you are doing it. Prepare the PPTs as per the
Standards.
standards. Yes, I explained you the standards. I have given the tracker also, daily tracker also. And in each demo, you need to show improvements. Yes, one demo to another demo. One is presentation skills, communication skills, and technical explanation, and the how presenting the AI prompts and AI scripts explanation, mapping to your setup activities also. That way, what happens? You are a constructively prepared, rolled person. Like that, it will be shown in the profile. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Right. So per week, you should do minimum 2 demos, as I discussed with you. You are most welcome to do more also as per your effort to make a powerful and experiences demonstrable resume for jobs. It means whatever you are mentioning in the profile, you will be able to showcase. Yes, I have upgraded it and so on. So upgraded 2.0, Ravi Kumar 2.0 or Ravi Kumar AI 1.0.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sure,
I
sir. Sure. Yes,
Ravi
sir.
Kumar
Uh,
IT AI 1.0, right?
yeah.
Because this
Yes, sir. This
starting
is
point, 1.0 should be there.
yes, sir. This is
Right?
this is name as you given me. It's my work to do it continue.
Yes, yes. Only 4 months if you work hard, your life is going to change. Your strategic career is going to be given boosting every time. You don't need to bother about employer. Employer need to bother to lose you. You see, any of our past resources, they did not get laid off. Lakhs of people were laid off in India in different companies.
Yes.
In spite of that, they got promotions. That is the beauty of this coaching. Okay,
Yes, sir.
which
Yes. Yes, sir.
you have seen Arshad background, right? He is
Yes,
a
sir.
tech leader, tech leader. He is working in Geo. Okay. So you also need to attend mock interviews and resume updates. Yes, we discussed it. After 4 months, once the resume is prepared, you need to apply for jobs on job portals. So this is very important. These activities sometimes हम अभी तक गया, I can't do anything. You should not say till you get the job offer. You got it?
Uh, no, no, sir. No, sir.
नहीं नहीं
Can you?
4 months होने के बाद after 4 months completion of this coaching for building resume demos, you should
Yes.
not say I got tired, I want to take rest. You should not say till you get the offer. You should continue the efforts.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I continue my efforts, and I'm never stop till you said, Ravi, you are done good work and job. Still,
Not only
I'm
that,
doing
you
the
need
work.
to get multiple offers, not single offer. With this, you will get
Yes, sir.
multiple offers. But next 2 months, 5th month and 6th month, you need to continue the efforts to keep trying, keep attending interviews.
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
yes.
told
I
you,
will do,
right?
sir.
I
Yes, sir.
told
I
one
will.
flow also. You have a 90 days notice period. So you get the first offer. Then later on
Yes,
submit
sir.
the resignation. Okay. After that,
Yes, sir.
you will get some more offers. But getting initial offer is difficult. But after getting initial offer, you show that immediately they'll run behind you. We will hike you 20, 30% or 40% on that offer. You come and join with us. Then you get like that incrementally. Four offers. Fourth
Increment.
offers you will have 80% of the first offer, 80% hike of the first offer, definitely.
Yes, sir. Sir. Definitely, sir. Sure, sir.
Yes. So I have shown you also that statistics. Okay.
Yes.
Only 17% positions will be filled because of lack of job skills in the industry.
Industry. Yes, sir.
17% means every company will be running behind the profiles, and there will be a lot of fake profiles. Okay, prepared through AI tools, all those things. But you have a proof here, work done by you during the course.
Yes, sir. I have proof.
Yes.
I
So now,
doing just for
AI tool
practice.
also can deny you are not suitable for the JD or something like that. Okay, because you mentioned the URLs, AI tool will go and check that, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes, yes.
So you will be given support from 8th to 6th month. Eight means for each recruiter call or message, you need to update me with the JD to get guidance on the interview. It means whatever call you are getting from the recruiter, you need to discuss with me and get the
Yes, sir.
guidance how to attend the interview, how to handle that process.
Yes, sir.
Because
Yes,
each
sir. Sure,
company
sir.
background is different, each JD is different, each recruiter discussion is different. Okay, for
Yes. Yes,
bargaining
sir.
salary, all these things, I'm going to guide you. You will be given, okay, after 6 months, on the basis you can, on the need basis, you can be in touch basis. Let us say, if at all you did not get an offer in 6 months, after 6 months also, I will be supporting you. But this is not counted. This should not be counted because you are getting the offer before end of the 5th month. At least single or two offers.
Yes, sir. Okay,
The
sir.
only thing
Thank you.
is
Yes,
you
yes.
need to keep applying in portals. Naukri is there,
Yes, sir.
Monster is there, Times is there, LinkedIn is there. Like that, 4 to 6. Indeed is there, of course. That is also popular. Like that,
Popular.
around 6 portals are there. You need to keep applying every week. Uh, if you have time on weekend, you need to sit and do how you are doing the work for technical things now. That time,
Yes,
the efforts are different.
yes, sir.
Okay.
That
And
yes.
whenever recruiter calls, you should not ignore it. You should, if you are in the meetings, then after meetings, you should call them. Okay. If email, you need to keep on checking the email also at that time. Okay.
Yes,
Because
sir.
they'll keep sending mails, they keep sending WhatsApp messages also. You need to be proactive to give the response and get the offers. First, you should get 4 to 6 offers. Like Arshad, how he got 6 offers he got in 2 months time. The same way.
It's yes, it's so
Okay.
nice. Yes, sir.
Any questions are
Yes.
there in this discussion?
Sir, only have one question. Only we are also do work on finance project as I complete my main finance.
Yes, yes, you are going to work on that finance projects.
Okay,
You
sir.
have to choose the finance domain, subdomain area. In finance, so many areas are there.
Okay, sir. Sure. Yes.
See, when first 10 days machine learning domain areas we are discussing with algorithms, all those things, you are going to learn financial domain also, financial domain activities also. Then you need to pick up 2 activities or 3 activities, whatever you feel. The same way, insurance also, claims is there. Your subdomain is claims within the insurance.
Yes.
There also you will be picking up. Okay. So with
Okay,
that,
sir.
what
Okay, sir.
happens? You are utilizing your past experiences in claiming the domain also in ML. Okay. See,
Yes.
most of the demanding roles are finance, insurance, healthcare, for machine
Okay, sir.
learning. These 3 domain areas. Okay. So I think I have given full clarity.
Hello,
Now
sir. Your
it is
voice.
your chance to prove yourself within 4 months. Right?
Okay, sir.
I'll
Yes, sir.
stop it now. Right. Good.